We all know that entertainment can be expensive. Whether it's movie tickets, concert tickets, or theme park admission, it can feel like we're constantly spending money just to have a good time. But what if we told you that there's a way to have just as much fun, if not more, without breaking the bank? So, whether you're a movie buff, a music lover, or just looking for something fun to do, sit back and get ready to learn how to save big on entertainment. It's time to have some fun without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Identify expensive entertainment. All right, let's dive in and start identifying some of those expensive forms of entertainment that can really add up. I mean, who doesn't love a night out at the movies or a concert? But let's be real, those tickets can get pretty pricey. And let's not forget about theme parks, the ultimate entertainment expense. The admission alone can cost a small fortune, let alone food, souvenirs, and all the other extra. It's important to be aware of how much money we're spending on entertainment. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and splurge on a night out or a big event, but those expenses can add up quickly. By identifying the expensive forms of entertainment, we can make more informed decisions about how we want to spend our money. But don't worry, just because something is expensive doesn't mean it's off limits. We're going to show you how to enjoy all your favorite forms of entertainment without breaking the bank. But first, let's take a closer look at some of the most expensive forms of entertainment and see how much they're really costing us. Trust me, it's going to be eye-opening. Coupons and discounts. Alright, now that we know some of the most expensive forms of entertainment, let's talk about coupons and discounts. These little gems can be a lifesaver when it comes to saving money on entertainment. Have you ever checked out a website or an app before buying a movie ticket or concert ticket? Chances are you could have found a coupon or a discount code that would have saved you some money. And don't forget about group discounts. And if you're planning a night out with friends, see if you can get a discount for buying tickets in bulk. Another great way to save money on entertainment is to keep an eye out for special promotions or deals. Many theaters and venues offer discounted tickets on certain days of the week or at certain times. And let's not forget about the power of the internet. You can find a lot of coupons and discounts on the web. Just make sure to check the expiration date and the terms of the offer before using them. The key is to always be on the lookout for coupons and discounts. They may not seem like much, but they can add up to big savings over time. So next time you're planning a night out, make sure to check for coupons and discounts first. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Free entertainment. That's right, you don't have to spend a dime to have a good time. There are so many free entertainment options out there, you just have to know where to look. For example, many cities have free concerts in the park during the summer, or free movie screenings in the park during the fall. And don't forget about free museum days. Many museums offer free admission on certain days of the week or during certain events. Another great way to find free entertainment is to check out local festivals and events. Many of these events offer free admission, or at least free entertainment options. And let's not forget about the entertainment you can find in your own backyard. You can have a picnic, play games with friends, or even have a bonfire. The possibilities are endless. The point is, you don't have to spend money to have a good time. By taking advantage of free entertainment options, you can save money and have just as much fun. So, next time you're looking for something to do, don't rule out free entertainment. You might be surprised at just how much fun you can have without spending a dime. EEDEY entertainment. Alright, now let's talk about a type of entertainment that's not only budget-friendly, but also allows you to unleash your creativity. DIY entertainment. EUIY entertainment is all about coming up with your own fun activities and events. For example, you can host a movie night at home, invite some friends over, and make it a potluck. Not only will you save money on movie tickets, but you'll also get to enjoy some delicious food and great company. Another great idea is to have a game night with friends. You can play board games, video games, or even create your own games. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to bond with friends and family. And let's not forget about the arts and crafts. You can create your own art projects or even organize a craft night with friends. Not only will you save money on entertainment, but you'll also get to tap into your creative side. The point is, EDIY entertainment is all about being resourceful and creative. By coming up with your own fun activities, you can save money and have just as much fun, if not more. So next time you're looking for something to do, don't be afraid to get creative and DIY. Seasonal entertainment. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Whether it's fairs, festivals, or holiday events, these forms of entertainment can be some of the most expensive, especially during peak season. But just because something is expensive, it doesn't mean you have to miss out on the fun. One way to save money on seasonal entertainment is to visit during off-peak times. For example, if you're planning to visit a theme park, try going during the week instead of the weekend. Not only will the crowds be smaller, but you may also be able to find discounted tickets. Another way to save money on seasonal entertainment is to take advantage of early bird discounts. Many events offer discounted tickets for those who buy them in advance. So if you know you want to attend a particular event, make sure to buy your tickets early to take advantage of these discounts. And let's not forget about the free options. Many seasonal events such as Christmas lights, Halloween events, and other events offer free entry or free activities and entertainment. The key is to be flexible and plan ahead. By being strategic about when and how you attend seasonal events, you can save money and still have a great time. So, next time you're looking to enjoy some seasonal entertainment, keep these tips in mind and you'll be sure to have a blast without breaking the bank. Online streaming services. With the rise of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney, it's become easier and more affordable to access a wide variety of entertainment from the comfort of our own homes. Gone are the days when we had to pay a fortune for cable or satellite TV, or even worse, miss our favorite shows because they were only available on a specific network or at a specific time. With streaming services, we can watch what we want and at a fraction of the cost. And let's not forget about the convenience of streaming services. You can access your favorite shows and movies on your phone, tablet, or even your smart TV. It's a great way to save money on entertainment, and it's also a great way to discover new shows and movies that you may not have found otherwise. But with so many streaming services out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the one that's right for you. That's why it's important to do your research and compare the costs, content, and features of different services. Online streaming services are a game changer when it comes to saving money on entertainment. And with so many options to choose from, you're sure to find a service that fits your budget and your entertainment preferences. So, next time you're looking for something to watch, don't forget to check out online streaming services. You might be surprised at just how much they have to offer. Creative budgeting. I know, budgeting can be a bit of a buzzkill, but hear me out. When it comes to entertainment, it's easy to get caught up in the moment and spend more than we planned. But by setting a budget for entertainment expenses and sticking to it, we can make sure we're not overspending, and we can also make sure we can afford more expensive experiences in the future. One way to budget for entertainment is to set aside a certain amount of money each month. For example, you can set aside $50 or $100 a month for entertainment expenses. This way, you'll have a set amount of money to spend on entertainment each month, and you'll be less likely to overspend. Another way to budget for entertainment is to create a fun fund. You can put a little bit of money into this fund each month and use it for entertainment expenses. This way, you'll have a dedicated fund for entertainment, and you'll be less likely to overspend. The key is to be creative and resourceful when it comes to budgeting for entertainment. By setting a budget and sticking to it, you can save money and afford more expensive experiences in the future. So, next time you're planning a night out or an event, make sure to budget for it, and you'll be sure to have a great time without breaking the bank. All right, folks, we've come to the end of our journey on how to save big on entertainment. But remember, the most important thing is to have fun. Don't let budgeting or saving money stress you out. The whole point of entertainment is to have a good time, but the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.